up? I'm Steve, and I have no time to waste. I'm going to try to teach you Fire and Rain by James Taylor in under 3 minutes. It's a beginner lesson, but I believe in you. You can do it. It's got some cool walk downs and notes, but if you just play the chords only, you'll be fine too. So we start here with an A major shape, but you got the capo on the 3rd fret. A major, I'll give you the chords first. E minor, they let me D major, you were gone, A major. Then A, E major this time to G. One more time. A major, E minor, D, A, E, G. And then I'll give you the chorus, and then I'll come back and play you all the cool little notes and walk downs. Ready? It goes D, I've seen B minor, and E, and I've seen A. Now you don't even have to do that E if you don't want to. You can go, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, back to A right there. But it sounds better when you do D, B minor, E, A. I've seen, and then it does again, I've D major, B minor, E, A. And then it goes, but I always thought G major, G major, and then E minor, that I'd see you, and then it goes to A. Okay, so let's talk about what makes the song magical. Play an A major without that note right there on the B string. Just do this. That's really cool. You're just playing 2 notes of the A chord, and that allows you to sort of hammer on right there onto that 5th fret of the B string. So check this out. Try that. A, like that. And then you go to the E minor, and then play a D major without that note right there. In fact, you could even use these 2 fingers, which will help you in a minute. They let me know you were gone, and then you go to the A again without that note, and then you hammer it on. You don't even need to play the whole chord. You go. So check this out. Major, and then you go to this G, and check this out. Now you could play a regular G, but what's cool is if you take this finger from the G and move it to this string, and then just take, you know, maybe this finger. It's like a D, part of a D major shape right there, be going. So instead of doing a G and just strumming it over again, you do part of a G. So check that out. It's the 5th fret of the E string and the 6th fret of the B string. All right, now I gotta go really fast, we're about out of time. When it does the chorus, I've seen fire, what you do is you do this walk down. Just play part of a D string with these 2, D chord with these 2 fingers, and then take a finger and put on the 7th fret of the A string, and put a thumb on the 5th fret of that A string, and down to the E major. So. Does the G, you can also walk that one down. So your G, that's the 5th fret of the E, E minor, and back to that A. Okay, that was crazy fast, and to make this video hit under 4 minutes, 3 something, I'm just gonna end it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.